It's a new day and a new mini vlog. Mga ka-alpha!
Tapos open mo yung eyes mo ng right. Look straight. Open eyes. Open. Pa-open ako ng eyes. Open mo yung eyes. Open. Open. Tapos look straight. Pa-open ako. Okay na? Yung grade po niya sa right eye, minus 50 with 25 na astigmatism. Left eye po, 50 with 25 astigmatism.
Now this one, I just want you to try if you can read the letters. I will start from the first line on top. Try reading the letters left, going to the right. You can start with the one on top.
D-A-Z-T-O
Okay. How about the second one?
Z-T-A-R-H
And the last one?
N-H-E-Z-A
Okay, very good. How about this one, the one on top?
D-A-N-H-C
Second right.
N-Z-V-N
And the last one?
C-R-T-N-A.
Alright po. So your vision is still good, your vision is still 20/20.
Hello mga ka-alpha, ito ang pinili kong frame.